This is an update on some of the stuff I bought for my computer. Still got 4GB RAM. This is new to Seasonic 600W M12 modular power supply. It's got a 120mm fan and a 60mm fan on the side, which you can see in there. It's modular, so it's good for cable management. The glare Gigabyte GTS 250 1GB. That's new. It's pretty sweet. See the box, and we got the AMD 550 Black Edition. Not much to that, just a box. Now we've got the motherboard, which is that, you can see. Move on to the computer. We got the power supply, the 60mm fan, 120 fan, and we got the Noctua C12 I think it is, heatsink. A nice fan on it. What else? 4GB RAM, you can see there. Fan there, fan there. We got the GTS 250 graphics card right here, which is quite cool. It's got a nice big heat pipe kinda on it. I don't know if you can see that. Pretty sweet. What else? A bit of cable management. It's pretty bad, but it'll do for now. That's about it. Thanks for watching.